Hi, I am Uday Kalgutkar, and she is Priya Kalgutkar, my wife, and my daughter Girija Kalgutkar. Basically, I have been staying in Vashi for the past 6-7 years, and Vashi was basically missing that cream thing like the amenities and all, because Vashi has been planned and settled in 1990s. Or since then there has not been any building which had all these amenities. So we are waiting for such opportunity, and when EV Homes came, we just grabbed it. No, it's like a package thing. Like whenever you plan a thing that we want to settle down in a house, what all we need? We say we need a nice house which has a big hall, good bedrooms, nice view. Secondly, we need all the amenities like a swimming pool, say the walking area, garden area, club area, everything in a single thing, and it was there. So we just thought of that. Speaking especially of the upgrades, then I can tell you that we will be having a football court in your society. Okay, then an infinity pool where you can swim and you can have a nip into the Bombay city, sitting in your pool. It will be covering the all the ocean part while we are in the swimming pool. That is one thing. Then other all amenities like the badminton court is there. There will be an jogging track. One advantage of EV Homes is that the Marina Bay it is near to the market. When we say near to the market, the main problem comes is of parking. But we have 4 floors which only caters for parking. So it should be ample space for all individuals, all residents to park their cars in the area. Ten of them. Think of buying anything, we always do a research, and with so many online options available to study, I thought I did a ample study on that, and then I came to know of the quality work they have been doing for the past so many years. Even the first project which they brought in Mumbai in 1990 with again a swimming pool on the terrace. That is why they were famous, and plus they have projects in foreign countries, in South India also. So that was the reason then I thought we should go ahead. Yeah, that was something new to me and as well to all of us. In fact, that's something which is very famous in Singapore, the Marina Bay thing. They are offering all those things where they have a 10,000 square feet area, common area where they will be offering garden, then the barbecue area, common sitting area. So that is something different which we look forward to utilize and stay over there. Already she has referred so many friends, and 10-12 तो आके देख के भी गए हुए हैं. You like the gardens? Huh? And what you liked? My God, swimming pool. Why? Bus. There's some. Huh? And animals. Okay, you liked it, na? So we'll shift. Tell uncle when we will shift.